What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. So we got the overall market looking pretty bullish on the day. It is looking like October is back in effect, with Bitcoin creeping back over 66,000 for the first time since the end of September. Now we got Shiba Inu priced to clear a zero if this trend continues, by article from you today. So let's take this article into consideration, see what they have to say, and then we'll add our 2 cents at the end of that. So, given the broader crypto market rebound, Shiba Inu has seen some metrics display very bullish sentiment. In the last 24 hours, SHIB's trading volume has surged by approximately 64.2% and currently sits at 371 million. SHIB could head towards that 301 level. Most traders consider trading volume the most vital metric for valuing a particular coin. A spike in trading volume usually indicates that traders' interest in the asset is growing. Rising prices accompanied by increasing volume suggest strong buyer confidence. This is the case with SHIB, especially after the token registered a 5.74% increase in the price in the past 24 hours. So Shiba Inu may eventually lose at least one of its zeros if the trend continues. This means that SHIB crypto could trade at the 0.301. Some analysts are already eyeing the possibility of up to a 3-digit price gain for the token. So we've been, talking about SHIB deleting this zero for a while, and it would be nice to, see us reclaim, break through these areas that we've been fighting through, reclaim that 4,500 points per coin level. That's when we're back in that race. Once we tap that 4,500 points per coin level, especially leading up to, the elections and, 2025 bull run, things could start to get crazy after that point. And I think once we hit that, we kind of see a FOMO kick in. It'll happen before that range. I think we'll see a deep level of FOMO at around 3,000 points per coin. And then again around, obviously, that psychological level of 4,000 points per coin. But I think 4,500 points per coin is that key level to trigger, us into, something, a crazy rally that, a lot of people aren't expecting. So Shiba Inu may eventually lose at least one of its zeros if the trend continues. This means that she could trade at 0.0001. Some analysts are already eyeing the possibility of up to a 3-digit price gain for the token. Based on the token's price history presented by CryptoRank, the historical return for the crypto market's second largest asset in the meme coin sector in October is 213%. The meme coin has made such a notable surge in the past. In October 2021, the SHIB price recorded a single month surge of 833%. So this is just to show y'all that might not been around for a while, or some of y'all that might be losing faith, that it can happen like this. This is crypto. This is, this is why we do this, because the possibility of what could take place. Now, obviously, some may look at it as, gambling, but this is why you do your due diligence. This is why you, use smart risk management when it comes to, what you put into some of these projects, so it doesn't put you in a tight situation. So that way, if you do pick a bad play, it doesn't, wreck your entire portfolio. That's a part of investing. No investor out there picks 100% guaranteed accurate plays. Active investor, if they're continuously investing, it's unlikely that we're gonna see them, basically hit every home run. Some of them are going to be some misses, but do your due diligence so you lower those chances, and only risk what you're willing to lose, and that way you'll be fine. So Satoshi Kusama addresses claims of billion-dollar SHIB wallets. In other SHIB related news, the protocol's lead developer Satoshi Kusama recently addressed claims circulating within the community about individuals allegedly owning a billion-dollar SHIB wallet. He asked interested parties to confirm the veracity of such claims before blindly believing them, and also offered a simple method to verify them. The first step is to ask the supposed owner to choose a number between 1 and 100. The next step is to publicly show that amount and then send the exact number of SHIB tokens from the claim wallet to another wallet address. So this is basically, I guess, only person I know that had the SHIB wallet is I think they had like a squid token or something like that. Is it Squid Grow? I think that might have been. And I think it was somebody in that community, the dev of that community, was claiming to be the holder of the multi-billion dollar SHIB wallet. I'm not sure if this is who they're referring to, but that's the only thing I can actually think of right now. Let me know in the comment section if y'all heard anything on that note. Let's see. Also, want to check out Watcher Guru. So me personally, y'all know I'm bullish on SHIB. You know, obviously I believe SHIB will eventually hit 1 cent one day. Not right now, but eventually in due time. But along that journey, we got to see the zeros get deleted, and I do believe this bull run we will see SHIB delete not just 1 0. I think it's even possible to potentially, if not delete 2 zeros, really get close to close to how we reached that 4 zeros 8 level, and we've been kind of stuck in this range. I can see us doing that into the next level. So deleting a 0, 3 zeros, and an 8 level. What y'all think about that? Obviously, it's not financial advice. We're just speculating here, having fun with, speculating on our favorite meme coin. But, I think it's very much possible she gets to 3 zeros, 8 this next rally. And, if we get to that level, who's to say we can't rally even further? It really all depends on how big the overall market grows, what the adoption rate is. If the pace of the liquidity that comes into the market, the overall market cap grows quickly, Shiba Inu is going to take a lot of that market share. It's the second largest meme coin by market cap. So a lot of people are going to flock to these communities, Doge, Shiba Inu, and all the other communities, and who knows where that could take us. So let's see what other stories we got. Okay, so that's all. We're going to wrap this one up after we check out this price analysis. So overall market right now sitting at a $2.3 trillion market cap. Not bad at all. Overall up 4.9% on the day. Like I told y'all, whenever we get a day where we see 3 to 5% gains on the overall market, that's going to be a good day for most cryptocurrencies. Now, right now, fear and greed index sitting at a 45, letting us know, the confidence is starting to improve in the market. This is why I told y'all when we seen it down to 37 and 39 or whatever in that range, that's where you want to be buying it, because people are more fearful. When people are fearful, they don't buy, they jump out, they take their losses, and that brings the price down, a discount for, smart buyers. And smart money will buy the dip, and then, once the price hits your price target, you can take some profits. Or, hold it to whatever, time frame or investment timeline you want. So Bitcoin right now, 66,335, like I told you on the beginning of the video. First time since the end of September. A lot of people have been wondering, like, what's going on with October? It's not, October ain't upping right now, so it's good to see it at 66.4 right now, up 5.6%. Ethereum at 26.45, BNB at 5.90, Solana up $157, up 6.7%. So ETH was up 7.2% right now. So far ETH is the leader, percentage wise. XRP at 54 cents, up 3.3%. Doge at 11 cents right now, up 5.5% on the day. We got Tron at 16 cents, down 1%. Toncoin at $5.35, up 3.2%. We got Cardano at 36 cents, up 4.9%. AVAX at $29.33, up 1.6%. Shiba Inu 13th place by market cap at 401888, up 8% on the day, 6.5% for the week. 82% year to date with an $11.12 million market cap. So next above us is AVAX with the $11.9 million market cap. So you see, not too far, before we can surpass AVAX for that 12th place. That's going to, make the community excited once we start to see those headlines of Shiba Inu reclaiming 12th place by 12th market cap in crypto. It's going to be exciting, y'all. So first, I'm going to take a look at the volume. We can see the volume at 446 million, up 87% on the day. Nice. And this is due to Bitcoin having a rally today. And the reason Bitcoin is seeing some rally, we're getting again, Kamala Harris just mentioned, some pro crypto news about having some good framework in place for crypto, basically telling people that crypto will be accepted. Also, we have you know, Dubai making crypto taxes completely irrelevant. It's not a thing. You can now, you know, buy homes and more things in Dubai using crypto, so that adoption rate is starting to, you know, become more prevalent. Also, we see, you know, China entering the markets with more liquidity. We see a lot of Bitcoin shorts got liquidated. Around $43 million in Bitcoin shorts were liquidated, which what that does is people that are betting for the price of Bitcoin to go down, it forces them to have to turn around and buy Bitcoin. So when that happens, it pushes the price up when we get all that buying pressure. Also, we got some whales that are buying a lot of Bitcoin as well. You know, they're, I guess, getting in position, you know, for the final half of October. You know, October historically ends, like we seen in the article, for Shiba Inu up, you know, in the green. And crypto in general, October is the second best month overall. So a lot of people confident right now, excited about the possibilities leading up into this upcoming bull run. A lot of people also feel we haven't even seen the, you know, super rally that we have to come. So it's looking good for us right now, y'all. We can take a quick look at some of these indicators, you know, and see what the indicators are telling us. I just want to check the Bollinger Bands real quick with y'all, and then moving average. So after we check the moving average, we'll have an idea of, you know, if we broke that trend. So here we go right here. We got the Bollinger Bands up right now. We see we bounced right off of that mid Bollinger Band. This is why it's important to know these. Look at the upper band, mid, and lower Bollinger Band. So the price found support right around that mid Bollinger Band. Yes, it did wick down into that 1700s level, but it essentially is, you know, it found support at that level before starting to rally, you know, back to the upside. So right now we just took out this level of resistance here, which is a good sign for us to possibly continue in the rally. And also, if you look at the volume is picking up also. So that's always one of my favorite signs. When I see that volume picking up on, you know, those green candles, that tells me, you know, we got a good possibility of it continuing. So like I said, we end up breaking that 4,500 points per coin level. We're going to see the market go absolutely crazy, especially inside SHIB. So we got the Bollinger Bands. We know our upper Bollinger Band is telling us the price is going to see resistance around 2,008 points per coin, support at 1764, and the low support at 1521 on the low end. So keep those areas in mind. If you want to have buy orders, sell orders, if you're a short-term trader, keep that in mind as well. Let's look at this moving average. Okay, we got the moving average. Okay, so still trading underneath this 200-day moving average, which is a bearish signal. So we need to take out that 1934 level. If we could test 1934 points per coin, that will put us back above the 200-day moving average. If we can close above that level, that would be really nice. But that's all we got for this one. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, and we are out.